published the multimodal services with Qwen and Model Studio article. After that, we get a lot of feedbacks from you. Thank you very much for this kind of feedbacks. And they said like how we can try it, we want to run it, and do you have some easy ways? Yes, and following up questions about this kind of try this and feel by the hands the models. So basically, let me give, if somebody doesn't know about this one, like give a short introduction that you can deploy it and then input text. That's common things as voice or image, and it can be reply you as a text, and it supports multi-modality, which is like powered by the Qwen and models and Qwen audio, plus Qwen-VL, which is visual language models. And you can find all of the informations, and link will be below. So how about deploying this one? If we want to deploy it, we need to like a lot of steps, and then at the end we can have something usable. So to decrease development effort and then have the one-click deployment, we create on Alibaba Cloud ComputeNest. That's like prepared all of the environment for you. Just you need to put your information and use it. So basically, I will go to console. I will not go to the how to register on Alibaba Cloud, how you can create account, all of this one. I will leave link how to do it, but let's assume you have the account and everything. So we go to the Alibaba Cloud console, and here I will go to the ComputeNest. So basically you can press this button and type here ComputeNest, and it will come up, or you can search here ComputeNest as well. So I come from this area, and we have the welcome page. Let's start from the beginning, and then on the service marketplace we have a lot of solutions you can see related to AI, generative AI, and others. So because we want something generative AI, first we can type generative AI, and we can see the two solutions. It's generative AI for RAG. It's not today's, but another solution is what we are interested in is generative AI for multimodal LLM. So here has a comprehensive documentation and how you can prepare and every steps. As now on the video we will go to the one by one these steps. So let me first press the button launch now, and then I need to put the service name. I have some services run it previously, let's say version 1. Region, you can choose any regions which you like. Here I choose Singapore. First we need to choose like pay-as-you-go. You can choose subscription, up to you, but let me choose pay-as-you-go. Here I choose ECS, which virtual server where my API services and WebUI will be run. And then I need to put some password suggested. I can put the any password here. Then like ingest IP, again it's not secure, you need to put your block IP address more clear, but for now I whitelist all of the IP addresses. Then models, so we can choose 1.57b or 1.514b. so I choose 7b. In this case, one CPU with P100 should be enough. And database users, so here again need to create the password. I will put password and username for WebUI access, so I need to have some password. So here I can put again some password. Then here we need to key access, Alibaba key access secret, and then for the intelligent speech interaction we need to put the API key and dash scope API for the Qwen. Or you can create your own Qwen application on any virtual machine and put the API key. currently we have Dashco, but soon we will have Model Studio in Singapore, and you can get from there. And you want to put some image. So if we back to the, let me open ComputeNest and Marketplace. So again, generative AI. So on this solution, at the end, what we will have interface, and on interface you can put your company logo, this logo. So to put this logo, you can put the URL here. Okay, so then we choose the zone A, and we choose we can create from scratch VPC, or we can choose. Since I already create, I can choose, and then I will pause here video for a while because I need to put some credential information. After I finish this putting information, we will back. So we back here, and I already put some logo information from publicly available, and then next to the order. Then I need to accept, so I can see my resources, price for current usage, and then create now. It need to take, so view services, and so it will be deployed. It will take maybe 10 to 15 minutes. So now we take pause and then back after it's deployed. Good. Finally, we have deployed our service. Even I created the version 2. Let's go to the details, and then we can see the endpoint. We will press this endpoint, and we should have the information. So basically, here we can see logo, which I uploaded, and information on here. We can upload the knowledge base. Let me up. So I will upload the LLM brochure from Alibaba Cloud. So we need to press button upload. After then we can see message about successfully uploaded. Then here let's start from the simple question like who are you? It should be able to answer like something. Let's see what it will answer. It takes some time to get the reply. And then let's prepare another question which we will ask, what Alibaba offer in term of GPU. So it says, okay, designed assist answering question concisely, personally, and provided no information. Not bad. So that's now we are going to from the knowledge base system, and we can see it's good. Has the information from this brochure. The next is how we can upload. I upload the flying rocket, and then I asking explain this image, and it should answer me questions. Yeah. Okay, it's this rocket launch. Pretty good. That's result and happy to use, and you can try to upload your audio and other questions and then run it. Stay tuned. See you next time.